Hi, I'm Joey. I'm one of the ambassadors for docrafts, and today I'm going to be making a Christmas card, a really simple Christmas card with the new Paper Mania Winter Woodlands papers and the Xcut Stag and Ivy embossing folder. So to begin with, I'm going to emboss the embossing folder twice because we need to put one on top of the other and use some dimension. So just put that in. If you don't know, by the way, if you've got a black side on your embossing folder, that's your side you want on your surface. So this is my linen side, so that's the side that I want embossed. So then just put that through the Xcut. I always just bring this back. I find it easier to bring it back, but you don't need to. That's just my preference. So that's embossed that beautifully. So we need to do it again because we need the square in the centre. So we'll just take another piece of the linen card. So that's the two images. Right, so now what we're going to do, I've actually cut down a piece of the A4 linen capsule card and made a tent fold card. I'm going to cover the front of that with the Winter Woodlands paper. So I have cut this to the width, so I'll stick it on and then cut the bottom off. Line it up with that edge. That's it. And then turn it over. If you cut it from the back, usually you can cut that much easier if you turn it over and cut it from the back. So just cut that spare bit off. So there we've got the front covered. So now we need to cut these images down. So we're going to cut the first one down to the main image. So this is the Xcut trimmer, and this does actually cut up to 12 inches. So this is good for your 12-inch papers. So you can cut those down. So there's my main image. Stick that down. You just make sure you've got that the right way before you stick this on. Put that on there. And then cut your next one down. So you just want the centre image for this one, so just line it up. And do that embossing. So then we need to cut a mat of silver mirri, slightly bigger than that. So that's 7 centimetres because that's 6.5. So 7 centimetres should give us a nice border around there. Yes, that's nice. So we just want a nice little fine border on there. So we've got the bigger stick its foam pad for this one, obviously because we don't need the tiny ones. And then just centre this on this mirri. So you could either put more dimension on this or you could just do this flat. I've just done it flat. So then we line this up with the image in the middle. And then we need a sentiment from the Woodlands die cut sentiments. And I think this green will be a nice contrast. These are lovely because they're a linen texture. So just take that out. Just make sure you haven't got any little bits that you don't want. And then what I'll use to stick this on is a little bit of any just tacky glue. So just put a tiny blob on the bottom. And then put your sentiment into that. Right, so that's secure now. So that's finished. So that's the finished card. Really nice, simple card to do, lots of dimension. really contemporary, I think. Tent fold as well, so that's a little bit different, but you could do it portrait, whichever you fancy. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you get a chance to watch some more. Thank you.